Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you how to order our new open house signs. From the homepage, you're going to go ahead and click check them out. This page is going to show you all the companies that we have available templates for. If you don't see yours here, you start with this top one and customize it with your own logo. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to edit a design for Remax. So go ahead and click customize, and this will open our online designer. The template loads, and then over on the left side, you see this layouts button. Click that and click the company name again, and that will open up the available templates for your company. Choose the one that you like the best, and then go in to edit it. So you would change your name here. Add your individual DRE number. Replace this with your email. And again, you just click to highlight the text field and then highlight the text to replace it. And your own phone number. And that's it. Once you're done, you'll click review and buy. This will show you a preview of what it looks like. Carefully read everything and make sure it looks good. And we will prepare the other side and flip the arrow over, so you don't need to worry about doing that. And you click purchase and put your quantity in. You need to be sure and check this box, where the pink box where it says I have proofread this document, and then add any notes. And click next. Once you're here, you can go ahead and check out and input your payment information. And that's it.